Crochet not only improved my mental health, but it gave me a new career path and a completely inspiring life purpose. A few years ago, crochet cured my depression and tickled my ADHD brain. The experience of learning a new skill, relaxing, and exercising my creativity all at the same time was so incredible. As a graphic designer for over a decade, I was already creative and in love with colors. But crochet brought texture into the mix. Colors suddenly became tangible. They were literally transferring warmth and softness to my hands. Crochet fixed my life stitch by stitch. Not only did it improve my mental health, but it changed my career path. Because having crochet as a hobby just wasn't cutting it for me. So I started creating patterns and opened an Etsy store. There was a lot of things to figure out, like what I would crochet for starters. Then a lot of researching, a lot of learning, like sizing, resizing, testing, shaping, photography, and so on. There were a lot of fails, of course, but I always stood right up. You'd think that would be enough, right? That I would stop. But my transformation was still going on because after filming a few tutorials as a support for the people buying my patterns, I fell in love with the YouTube crochet community. And this brings me to the last amazing change crochet made into my life. A new found purpose. To get more people hooked on the joy of crochet. I am not sure where this is going to take me next, but I am 100% sure I will keep crocheting every single day. I'm going to keep getting better and keep showing up for you guys with original stuff, just like the Groovy series. I love to read how crochet changed your life in the comment section below. Let's get hooked on joy. Bye!